Hello all, welcome to today's assembly. Now for today's assembly, I'm going to be introducing a video clip that's made by Ian Bruce. Now Ian Bruce is from a group called Rugby Youth for Christ, and Ian's a very familiar face here at Lawrence Sheriff and frequently comes in and delivers assemblies and positive messages to young people. Now the message that Ian has put together today is all about staying connected, something that is very challenging given the current climate, but also very important, and it's a way that we're able to come together through the challenges that we've had and the different ways that we can do this. Now, next week, it's Children's Mental Health Awareness Week. So throughout next week, we're going to be finding different ways that we can stay healthy, that we can come together, and we're going to be continuing with the activities that we've done to get you physically active as well. I'll be sharing more information through daily notices and the school Instagram account of how we're going to do this throughout next week. If you click on the next link now, that will take you to Ian's assembly. Thank you.